All right, the drink we're about to make is called Hot Cinnamon Roll. Now, nothing wakes me up in the morning like smelling the aroma of some hot cinnamon rolls being cooked in the oven. Well, this drink might be something that'll wake you up in the morning too. Okay, we're going to start off with some cinnamon schnapps. And we're going to do 1.5 ounces of cinnamon schnapps. Now, it's totally up to you on how much you want to add. There we go. And we're going to follow that up with some hot apple cider. Oh, try to get it in your drink and not on your bar. That's just more cleanup for your bar back. All right, let's go ahead and take the spoon and stir it up. Get that cinnamon schnapps mixed in with the apple cider. All right. And we'll go ahead and throw a straw in there. And that is hot cinnamon rolls, bottoms up.